नमस्कार दोस्तों, निष्ठा एजुकेशन में आपका स्वागत है। बहुत दिनों के बाद आज हम फिर से क्लास रिकॉर्ड स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं। आज हमारी क्लास कक्षा 10वीं की क्लास 10th की रियल नंबर से स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं। तो ये क्लास हमारी इंपॉर्टेंस रहेगी CBSE एंड MP बोर्ड के लिए। जनरली ये कॉन्सेप्ट वाइज क्लासेस हैं जो कि आपको रिविजन करने में हेल्पफुल होगी। हम स्टार्ट कर रहे हैं रियल नंबर। रियल नंबर इज अ चैप्टर ऑफ फर्स्ट इन अ क्लास 10th. Okay. So what is the meaning of real number? Firstly, understand about real number. Real number, it means combination of natural number and irrational number. Yes and no? It means what is a rational number? Rational number is a numerator upon denominator, and irrational number, whose number is in a root form. Yes and no? So first thing is that real number. Real number is a combination of rational number and irrational number. Irrational number. So next thing is that types of number. In a previous class you better understand about types of number like natural number, whole number, integers, co-prime number, prime number, rational number, irrational number, real number. Yes and no? So only discuss about two numbers here. Rational number. Rational number, it means kya? Who number is a form of numerator upon denominator, like 2 upon 3. And irrational number, who number is in a form of root, like a root 3, root 5, etc. Yes and no? Understand or not? So generally definition of real number is that real number is a combination of rational number and irrational number. And next thing is that types of questions in a real number. Mainly in a real number, types of questions are like, first the prime factors. Find prime factors. Second is that LCM and HCF. Third is prove that a number is irrational. Yes and no? Mainly three questions in a chapter number first. First is the prime factor, second is the LCM, HCF, and third is the proof that a number is a irrational. And your chapter is a very important chapter, and also real number is a very easy chapter. Yes and no? In a class 10. So first we discuss about prime factors. So like some questions solve for prime factors. Prime factors in a NCERT and modern ABC both are similar question, and if you want solve many questions, so pick firstly concept. Yes and no? How to solve question? Clear na? Yes and no? So we have an example for you. 140 and find out the prime factors. So how to find? Generally in previous class study about prime factors. Yes and no? Very simple. Like 140 divided by so last number is 0, so divided by 2 easily. Yes and no? 2 7s are 14, 0, 2 3s are 6, and 2 5s are 10. 7 या 5 से okay. 5 7 ja 35, 7 1 ja 7. It means our prime factors is 140 equal to multiply 2 multiply 5 multiply 7. So here 2 to the power 2 multiply 5 multiply 7. So understand or not? How to solve prime factors questions? Understand? And second question we have like 3825. 38 3825. Okay, 3825. So how to solve? Similar method. 3825. So last number is 5. 5 is the odd number or even number? Odd number. Clear na? Whose number is not divided by 2 is a odd number, like 1357, and whose number is divided by 2 is called even number. Understand na? Okay. So divide किससे होगा ये? 3 से. 3 1 जा 3, 3 2 जा 6 and 3 4 जा 3 से नहीं जाएगा क्या? ओके जाएगा. 3 2 जा 6 and 3 7 जा 21 and 3 5 जा 15. So next is again 3, 3 4 जा 12, 3 2 जा 6 and 3 5 जा 15. 5, 5 8 जा 40 and 5 5 जा 25. 5 1 जा 5 and 5 7 जा 35. 17 1 जा 17. So our answer is 3825 equal 3 multiply 3 multiply 5 multiply 5 multiply 17. So here power of 3 is 1 multiply 1, and you understand in our exponents concept is where which exponent multiplication power is added. Clear na? So 3 to the power 2 multiply 5 to the power 2 multiply 17. So that is the answer of 3825, prime factors of 3825. So in this type of we solve more questions for prime factors. Understand or not? Firstly, pick the concept of how to solve prime factors. How to solve prime factors. So that is the first type of question in a real number. Understand na? And you can solve many questions for like next question is 156 5005. In your exam 2 marks, find for prime factors questions 101%. You seen where you solve annual exam. Okay, yes and no? Okay. And now we discuss about HCF and LCM type of question. So types of second number question. Okay, LCM and HCF. So first thing is that what is the meaning of LCM? LCM it means क्या? Lowest common multiples. Yes and no. And HCF it means क्या? Highest common factors. Understand? And also in a class 10th real number we have some formulas for directly find out LCM and HCF. So formula is that LCM AB multiply HCF AB equal A multiply B, and A and B here 2 digits, here 2 numbers. Understand or not? And in a NCERT book example number 3 and exercise 1.1 question number 4 types of question, like in a question number 4 is given HCF of 306 and 657 equal 9. So find out LCM. Yes and no? So look here and find out LCM. So how to find? With the help of this formula we found out directly LCM. Yes and no? We have a formula is that LCM AB multiply HCF AB equal A multiply B. We have a 2 numbers like A and B, and HCF is 9. Understand? So directly find out the LCM is ये चला जाएगा आपका क्या डिवाइड में, ओके। सो एलसीएम इक्वल एलसीएम ए बी, इट मीन्स क्या, 306 957 900 657 इक्वल A multiply B upon HCF AB. It means क्या, 306 multiply 657 upon 9 and cancel out, 3 3 is a 9 3 is a 27 and 9 4 is a 36. 34 multiply 657, and after we calculate 34 multiply 657, we solve after 34 multiply 657, we have a answer is 22,338. yes and no, correct na? Similar question NCERT example number 3. Both questions are most important for exam. We have 2 digits 96 and 404. 96 and 404. Here 96 and 404 A and B. Okay. So after 96 and 404, with the help of prime factor, find out LCM or HCF. HCF आपका आएगा 96 and 404 is equal क्या, 4. Okay, so directly find out LCM. So use of this formula directly. LCM 96 and 404 equal 96 multiply 404 upon 4. 4 2s are 8 and 4 4s are 16. 24 multiply 404. After we calculated 24 multiply 404, we get 96 96. 96 96 is the answer. Yes and no? And both questions are most important for exam. Clear? Understand or not? Similar questions, directly find out LCM and HCF. LCM and HCF. After this question, we solve LCM and HCF. Okay? Yes and no? Any question? Okay, good. So now we discuss about next question is LCM and HCF. So LCM and HCF, LCM it means क्या, lowest common multiples, and HCF it means क्या, highest common factors. So we have a question is 12, 15 and 21. So firstly find out prime factors separately. 12, 2 6 is 12, 2 3 is 6 and 3 1 is 3. So we have a prime factors are 12 is 2 multiply 3. It means क्या, 2 to the power 2 multiply 3. Similar, next is 15. 15, 3 5 is 15 and 5 1 is 5. Okay. So we have a prime factors of 15 are 3 multiply 5. It means 3 to the power 1 and 5 to the power 1. Okay. And next is 21. 21. 3 7 is 21, 7 1 is 7. So 21 prime factors are 3 multiply 7, it means 3 to the power 1 and 7 to the power 1. And after we find out prime factors all 12, 15 and 21, we find LCM. LCM of 12, 15 and 21. So how to solve या how to find out LCM? Yes, like maximum power is 2 and minimum power is 1. So क्या करेंगे बताइए आप? मैक्सिमम पावर को जो है आप क्या करेंगे, उसे राइट करेंगे. क्लियर ना? यस एंड नो. सो मैक्सिमम पावर फॉर हम चलेंगे क्या, असेंडिंग ऑर्डर, डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर. आर यू अंडरस्टैंड अबाउट असेंडिंग ऑर्डर एंड डिसेंडिंग ऑर्डर? क्लियर ना? सो असेंडिंग ऑर्डर से चलेंगे. सो असेंडिंग ऑर्डर की फॉर्म में चलेंगे 2, 3, 5 एंड 7. सो मैक्सिमम पावर ऑफ 2 इज 2 to the power 2 multiply 3, maximum power is 1, 3 to the power 1. Similar, next is 5 to the power 1 and 7 to the power 1. So calculate 2 multiply 2 multiply 3 multiply 5 multiply 7. 2 2 is 4, 4 3 is 12 और 12 5 is 60 and 60 multiply 7 it means क्या, 420. 420 is the answer. Yes and no? If you have any problem for calculation, so directly separately some 2 or 3 digits directly. Okay, like 2 2 is 4, 15, 7, 60, 7, 420. Yes and no? 7 6 is 42, 420 is the answer. And next is HCF of 12, 15 and 21. So HCF it means क्या, हाईएस्ट कॉमन फैक्टर्स. ओके, इसमें आपको क्या देखना है कि आपके इसमें क्या होना चाहिए, जनरली तीनों में डिजिट्स होना चाहिए. क्लियर ना? सो आप देखिए 2 to the power इसमें है बट इसमें है क्या, नहीं है. और इसमें 3 है, हाँ है ना? आप चाहें तो इसमें सर्कल लगा दीजिए. इसमें 3 है, इसमें 3 है. 5 है क्या, नहीं है. सो आप डायरेक्टली क्या बोल देंगे, HCF is 3. That is the answer of HCF 12, 15 and 21. So all questions are very easy, like HCF and LCM. Understand na? And similar question, if you pick the concept, so all questions solve easily. Understand? Yes and no? Okay. So next question is, last question is find, prove that a number is irrational, like √3, √2, √5 and √7. So our last and next question is prove that a number is irrational. 2 मार्क्स के समझ लीजिए कि आपके इसमें एग्जाम में आना ही है 100%. ओके, सो हाउ टू सॉल्व √3 is a irrational number. Firstly let us assume √3 is a rational number, and rational number is a numerator upon denominator, and let rational number is like a upon b, p upon q, x upon y. So √3 equal x upon y और a upon b. So हम ले रहे हैं क्या, a upon b. √3 equal a upon b and HCF not equal 0 every time. Yes and no? When why we write HCF LCM, sorry, b not equal 0? Reason is that b is 0, so that number is not rational number. Understand na? Yes and no? Clear? So let assume √3 is irrational number, not rational number. Okay, rational number. So what is the meaning of rational number? Rational number is a numerator upon denominator. दैट एम्प्लाइज लगाना है एवरी टाइम √3 इक्वल a upon b, and here a is a numerator and b is a denominator, so b not equal 0. Reason is that suppose b is a 0, so number is a not a rational number, understand or not? Because rational number is a like 2 by 3, 5 by 7, understand or not? If b is 0, so 0 divided by any number, your answer is 0, understand or not? Clear? So b not equal 0. Next step is a and HCF of ab equal 1. A and v are co-prime integers. Understand? And next step is that squaring both sides. Squaring both side. Squaring both side, it means क्या? √3 to the power 2 equal a by b to the power 2. Here 3 equal a square upon b square. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन करेंगे, सो वी गेट 3 इक्वल 3b स्क्वायर इक्वल a स्क्वायर, a स्क्वायर इक्वल 3b स्क्वायर. इक्वेशन नंबर फर्स्ट. अंडरस्टैंड? यस और नो? वेरी इजी क्वेश्चन. फर्स्टली लेट अस एज्यूम √3 is a rational number. √3 is a rational number. So √3 equal a upon b and b not equal 0. HCF ab are co-prime integers. Understand? And next step is squaring both side. Squaring both side, √3 to the power 2 a by b to the power 2. 3 equal a square by b square. क्रॉस मल्टीप्लीकेशन किए, 3b square equal a square and a square equal 3b square. Equation number first. And in your book NCERT or modern ABC, theorem number first, if a square is divisible by 5 or any number, understand what I am saying? If a square is divisible by 5, so a is also divisible by 5. In your book theorem number first, yes and no? So we use theorem and write here, if a square is सेक्शंस करना होगा जनरली, हमारे पास बोर्ड में प्रॉब्लम है थोड़ी सी ना स्पेस का. ओके, यहाँ पे राइट करेंगे आप, इफ ए स्क्वायर इज डिविजिबल by 3, so a is also divisible by 3. Understand or not? Clear? And next step is, let us assume also a equal 3c. This is the second part of question. Okay, let a equal 3c. In every questions types of like √3, √5, √7 and √2, similar method, yes and no? Okay, so let a equal 3c. A equal 3c. So next step is that squaring both side. Squaring both side. How many sides here? Left hand side and right hand side. Okay, clear? That is the first part, and this is the second, this is the third. Squaring both side, ए स्क्वायर इक्वल 3c² a square equal 9c square, and we have a equation number first, a square equal 3b square. So put the value of a square equal 3b square. Understand? We have a next expression is that a square equal 9c square, and we also find here a square equal 3b square. So put the value of a square by equation number first. 3b square equal 9c square. Understand or not? 3b square equal 9c square. A square equal 3b square. So 3b square equal 9c square. Next step is b square equal 9 by 3 c square. B square equal 3 1 ja 3, 3 3 is 9, 3c square. So similar we write here, if b square is divisible by, if b square is divisible by 3, so b is also divisible by 3, and after that our solution is या आप राइट कर सकते हैं कि और कॉन्ट्रोडक्शन और सपोजिशन, एनी वन राइट वर्ड्स, ओके, और सपोजिशन is wrong. So √3 is a irrational number. Clear? And hence proved. लास्ट में आप क्या राइट करेंगे? Hence proved. Okay? Proved. And in exam you have a one question of that type. Find out the prove that √3, √5, √7 is a irrational number. Yes or no? How many marks? 2 marks. What is the guarantee for coming in exam that type of question? 1000% guarantee. After solve after attempt your exam, you have seen and tell about question is coming or not. Understand, na? Yes or no? So I totally tell you that question type of question coming in exam. Understand? And similarly you solve also like √2, √5, √7 and etc. Yes and no? First important thing is that pick the method, and all mathematics concept like here prove that √3 is an irrational number. Okay, so firstly pick the method and solve 1000 type of question. Understand or not? Clear na? So our first chapter is completed. How many? Mainly 3 methods, 3 types of question. First is prime factor, second is HCF LCM, and third one is prove that a number is irrational or not. Clear? So thank you so much for continuing our class watching. Thank you.